Hey guys, what's happening? How to create a logo in Figma. So go ahead and search for logo template Figma, right? Like you see right here at the top. And then you're gonna see in the search results, open logo, free logo library. So you're gonna go ahead to the free logo library. You're gonna select which logo you want. So I'm gonna show it to you now. So we're gonna wait for a few moments, of course, till they show. Yeah, right here you're gonna see the open logo template right here. Just go ahead and hit open in Figma. Okay, and now you're gonna be directed to another window, or a new window will open up, and you can start working on your new template, right? So we're gonna wait for a few moments. Sorry for the connection, sometimes it gets really bad. So as you can see right here, open logo, free modern logos. If you want to change your logo, right, and you didn't like these, just go ahead on the left hand menu. You're gonna see under the cover logos, go ahead and select any of their selected or any of their templates and start branding your own logo. So that's it. Choose your logo and start working with that logo from now on. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.